Are you ready for your mission?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you and your team are prepared?
I am ready. Ah!
Remember, you are going to be landing in the Sea of Serenity, and seas to us on Earth appear very dark, so we may lose contact for a brief moment.
I won't panic.
The moon is about 250,000 miles away. Are you prepared for this very long flight?
Yes.
I wish you the best of luck on your hard journey. Stay safe, young Astro Parrot.
Thank you, sir.
Two, three, quiet on the set. We're going live now.
Hello, welcome back to the Today Show. Today we have with us the world-famous astronaut, or more properly, Astro Parrot. So good to have you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. So, how does it feel to be the first parrot in outer space?
One small step for Astro Parrot. One giant leap for parrot kind.
Did you experience any hardships in space?
There was a severe lack of saltine crackers.
You landed at the Sea of Crisis, which is the most distant point that we can see with the naked eye from the Earth. How was that experience for you?
We actually planned to land in the Sea of Serenity. It was still very cool.
Did you find your NASA training to be adequate for your first moonwalk?
Actually, the training was quite hard. It certainly ruffled my feathers.
And did you miss your family, particularly your owner, Blackbeard?
Yes, terribly. I'm glad to be back.
And did everything go as planned for your trip?
Pretty much.
And did you miss your wife, Polly?
Yes, a lot. We certainly are birds of a feather.
And about that toucan Sam, he went pretty cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, huh?
Yes. He actually had to be ejected from the spacecraft.
Did you find that the malfunction in the third stage booster rocket to have ruffled your feathers?
Very funny.
And how was your spacecraft? The Eagle 15.
It is in tip-top shape.
Blue moon, you saw me standing alone, without a dream in my heart.